Hey guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to give you the quick comparison between the Verizon and AT&T and what are the important things that you need to know about the both. So first thing first, what I encourage you to do is that if you can get a prepaid card for both, that will be the best thing to actually test it out for yourself, where you are moving, what is like, where you're living, how is your coverage there, because yes, AT&T, this is based on the broadband map.fcc.government. You're going to find here that AT&T got a little bit better 4G coverage comparing to Verizon. This is just for the 4G, and you can see it right here on the map. But still, I see plenty of reports that AT&T was really bad at places, and then I saw plenty of reports that Verizon was bad at some places. So the prepaid card, like free trial, is the best way to try it out for yourself from my own personal perspective. Then when we're gonna come here to some kind of like features of what you can actually get, the really important thing that if you're into perks, you're going to find more with Verizon. This is important. So with Verizon, you are going to find more perks comparing to AT&T, and that's huge. But with AT&T, it's better in Canada and Mexico. It has unlimited data roaming compared to Verizon 2 GB a day in Canada and Mexico. So these are the important things that I wanted to share with you, is that if you're looking for perks, you can check it out, and you're gonna find plenty of perks with Verizon comparing to AT&T. But if you're gonna traveling to Canada and Mexico, it's going to have the unlimited data roaming comparing to Verizon 2 GB a day, and in that regard AT&T is better. So if I should like quickly summarize this video for you, they are both all right, but it really depends where you live, and I'm not going to say, you know, like it's definitely better. So with Verizon, you are going to get the benefits of the perks. So like if you love streaming and original content, Netflix Max or Disney bundle and 1 GB mobile hotspot. And then with AT&T you got different things, so these are for the unlimited possibilities. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. Hope this video provided a little bit of value. What is the comparison and which one I recommend to focus on. And have a great day and goodbye.